Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorado. So according to the manual, you should change this out at 72,000 miles and then again at 144,000 miles. So this has the 3.6 liter V6. The air filter is right here under this cover in the air box, and this cover is held on by 4 screws. There are 2 screws in the back, one right here and one right down here, and then there are 2 in the front, one right here and one right here. Make sure your engine is cooled off so you don't touch anything hot around the airbox. And then you're just going to take those 4 screws out with either a Phillips head screwdriver, or you can use a cordless screwdriver like I am to speed things up. Now, as you can see, these are retained screws, so you don't have to worry about them falling out and dropping down under your truck. Just take them out until they stop. Now you've got a worm clamp right here that we need to loosen up, and you can do this with an 8mm socket or just a flathead screwdriver. So we got that loosened up. Now we'll just back that accordion hose off of there. Just like that. Now on the outside of the airbox here, you can see there are 3 tabs. You've got one right there, one right here, and one right here. And basically we need to slide those out of the slots that they are in. So we're going to take the cover and slide it that way and then lift it up. So watch this wiring harness right here. I'm not going to undo that. Just make sure you don't damage it and wrench too hard on this air cover. So we're just going to move it that way and then up. And there is our air filter. So we'll go ahead and remove this. Before you put the new one in, it's a good idea to vacuum this out with a shop vac. I've got some little helicopters and leaves in here, so we'll go ahead and get that cleaned out real quick. Here's the new filter I'm going to put in. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a link to this under the video in the description if you want to check it out. So we'll go ahead and throw that new one in. It only fits one way. Just make sure that it is seated all the way around. Then we're going to put the cover back on the air box. Now just remember, you have these 3 tabs right here. You just want to make sure that you get those down in there first, and then you can kind of rock it down, and we'll put this accordion hose back on. You want to make sure this tab is sitting right where it goes on this accordion hose, and then we're going to go ahead and tighten our screws back down on the air cover. Then we're going to tighten this worm clamp back down with either that 8mm socket or a flathead screwdriver. And that will hold everything in place. So that's it. You've got a new engine air filter on your Chevy Colorado. So hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.